All right, let's have a look what's happening in the market, man. Market just opened. Um, Also, the vibe today is, bro, people really die in their sleep, but God woke us up, so it cost nothing to thank Him. Amen. Let's get it, y'all. Right? Hey, let's get it, everybody. We got this. What's happening in the market? Okay. Gotta wait for something nice to set up. 10 o'clock, there is some news happening as well. SPY QQQs, they're moving a little bit wild. Hey, the RM looks nice, isn't it? I've been like a little kid, bro. Let's get it. Yeah, because of the shutdowns, if there's no numbers, hey, we'll see. We'll find out. We'll find out, y'all. We'll find out. Okay. And this job numbers keep, these shutdowns keep happening over and over again. It's kind of like, it's almost feels like we are running the market dry at this stage, fam. It's pushing all-time highs and everything pushing dry. You see what I'm saying? So you can't see me, bro. Like a John Cena, my brother. You understand? You can't see me, sir. Ronald. Okay. Is it dry as what? Like running with no lube, my brother. No actual reasoning behind. Somebody said dry as your mom. Very, very good. That's it, bro. Very good. All right, Nvidia looks nice, fam. Actually, I just looked at Nvidia. Nvidia looks not bad at all. Nvidia looks decent below 183.65. 183.65 looks decent on Nvidia. Nvidia below 183.65. Yeah, it looks all right. SPY QQQs are pushing towards the downside as well. AMD has earnings. That's the only reason why I probably will do small position size if we do take it. 180. But ask is still holding. You could always pay attention to the bids and ask whenever you're trading. The ask never broke, so you're never in Nvidia. Yeah, we're not in Nvidia. Not yet. Microsoft is setting up nice as well. Microsoft looks decent for puts too. Again, I don't like that freaking 934 candle. Kind of looks tacky a little bit. So otherwise, Microsoft looks nice. Below, yeah, the 934 candle looks tacky. Maybe Nvidia looks decent. More decent 0.65. Hold and below. All right, Nvidia. All right. We're watching Nvidia. I'm gonna jump in. I'm watching Nvidia. Not in yet. It's holding below decent. You have this QQQ's SPY looks like it's gonna wanna bounce roughly around here. Discord keep acting up. All right, I just got an Nvidia, fam. I just got an Nvidia. 1.14. Let's see if we can break below. All right, essentially the bet right now is it breaks below 183.5. Yeah. We want to see if it breaks below 183.5. We definitely look like we tried to break below 183.5, but we'll see. 1.14 is the full price. Yeah, Discord keep acting up. Guys, jump on the Zoom. Watch my screens. Okay, let's see how this one goes. We'll Nvidia. Yeah, definitely SPY QQQs want to see a little bit of a divergence right now by the looks of it. QQQs is way further below the open price. SPY is getting above the open price. There's a divergence in the market. Not the sexiest. Yeah, not the sexiest thing. Of course, I'm still in this Nvidia. We want to see SPY reject of this open price. SPY get reject of this open price. Nvidia can literally melt. QQQs are pushing towards the downside. Nvidia contracts are holding value really, really good. Yeah, Nvidia contracts are holding value really, really good so far. I'm not a big fan of it because SPY keep acting up. but I've done a small position size down like $6 a contract. Nothing crazy on this NVIDIA. Which NVIDIA expiration did you do? I did February 4th, bro. So far the contract's not like hurting. Normally 70 cent move against you will kill the premiums. Down like 10%, nothing crazy. All right, still in this trade. I just want to essentially see how the SPY, to be honest, acts around here. Yeah. Let's see if NVIDIA wants to reject this 184. If this 184 fails, you got AMD that is pushing towards the downside already. Okay. SPY getting rejected off the open price and the VWAP. NVIDIA is coming back again. All right, let's see. All right, NVIDIA contracts are moving nice. That's good. All right, NVIDIA contracts are moving nice. I think SPY got ruined when the changed the name to State Street. Some bullshit. Hey. SPY has never been the same. It's been acting. It's like a chick who it's like a chick who gets a lip filler and thinks it's a fucking different chick now. Fuck's sake. Like thinks it's a different chick now. Oh my god. All right. Let's see if it. Hey, Dr. Garcia, what's happening, my brother? How you doing? All right, NVIDIA, come on, darling, get your ass down. Look at this freaking, what happened to this QQQs? Fuck's sake. Hey, look at that NVIDIA go, darling. Oh my god, these contracts moving, baby. 30% nearly. Shit. It broke below that 183 level like nothing. All right, 182.8. All right, guys, massive move has happened. Please take some profits. Not bad. Hey, take a little bit off. Take a little bit off. Fuck, moi. Shit. Leave your runners. Bro, what happened in the market all of a sudden? If anybody's still in the Microsoft as well, by the way, Microsoft looking decent. I think Microsoft would be 415 at the bottom. I didn't do Microsoft, but if you did Microsoft, congratulations. That was insane. Look at that shit go. Okay, good. The next level is 182.5 on this NVIDIA. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Good. Good. NVIDIA, very, very good. Hey, did you guys take profits on this NVIDIA at the bottom? Right, literally at the bottom. Look, baby. I think our profit taking made it back. Hey, our profit taking made the price bounce, baby. Very, very good. That's it. Break even stop loss. Very good.
You can take profits on Microsoft as well, guys. And anyone took Microsoft with me?
Yeah, Microsoft was good. Microsoft can get down to 415 as well. Take some profits again. It made an insane move on the SPY QQQs toward the downside. QQQs has this 200 moving average on an hourly chart sitting right there. So hopefully the prices do not bounce. But if it do bounce, break even's the stop loss. Break even getting triggered on this NVIDIA. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that fucking profit taking, darling. Whoa. All right, I'm out of this NVIDIA, bro. What the fuck? How bloody beautiful is that? Too good. Way too good. Way too good. Absolutely sexy. Good. Okay, let's see what else is happening. See if there's.
I'm liking my summation. I think Microsoft can head lower to 413 even.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not. I didn't jump in Microsoft before because I didn't like that 934 candle as such. But if it gives me another entry, that'll be really, really nice. So far, I'm looking at if I do get a nice entry, I won't take a trade on SPY right now. The only reason is QQQ's 200 moving average is sitting right at the bottom. On a hourly. Yeah, but beautiful profit taking that we had on this NVIDIA. Why did we take profits? Because QQQs had 200 moving average sitting right there. So understanding that big move happened on QQQs. Look at that freaking VIC. Big move happened on QQQs that can push the price towards the downside. And big move happened on a lot of names like Meta. We checked the Meta out at the same candle. So we executed really, really well. Good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that profit taking, baby. It doesn't get, I'm telling you, bro, it don't get any better than this. This is like you witnessing history right now. you watching history right now. That's it. AMD has earnings. The contracts will be wild. Yeah, no point. Congratulations, y'all. The risk reward. Nah, bro, the risk reward actually looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. It was a pretty good trade. Good stuff. All right. What next? What next? We're gonna wait for the next beautiful setup.
I think you gotta play the song for me. Smack that.
Bro, let's go, baby. Keep pumping. That's it. Keep pumping.
Breaking it out, guys.
Somebody said this man shows up 5 minutes late to the call and calls it. That's it, bro. It's not about, nobody gives us a nobody gives us a schedule. If you have a very strict schedule, then it's pretty much like another job. Hey, think about it. I left my job for a freaking reason. You understand what I'm saying? Because I didn't like a schedule. That's it. Let's go. PLTR looks not bad actually, Vay.
I got 200 moving average and 500 chart on bottom tonight.
Okay. All right, let's see if SPY gets above this VWAP. Essentially, y'all, if the candle closes above the VWAP, there is so many things happening on a 5-minute chart. If you go on a 5-minute chart, you'll see what am I talking about. There's a 200 moving average, VWAP, open price, 8 EMA. If the prices close above all of this, like a visual 5-minute candle close above all of this, and then we have a next candle come back, retest this zone, that would be a sexy advanced VWAP setup. Advanced VWAP essentially means having a 5-minute candle close above the VWAP visually, and the next candle, next candle go back, retest. That'll be a sexy play. But beautiful profit taken on this Nvidia right at the bottom, bro. So good.
And Microsoft.
That's it. He said, fuck, I love you guys so much. Just smacked SPX for $600. 2 days of work in 10 minutes. Fuck yes. That's it. RJ, let's go, bro. Let's go. Hey, welcome to the other side, bro. Like, my father-in-law lives with me now. Anyway, so I started paying him from my company, right? Because I don't want him to, feel, but I still make I don't want him to feel like, he's getting money for nothing. So I kind of give him some tasks at home to do. I'm like, oh, just do this, help me with this and stuff. So he kind of feels good. Anyway, because he lives with me now, right? And he jumps in the pool, lives his life, have a wine by the pool in the evening, soft music playing outside and everything. Anyway, so he's living the absolute. No, he's living the absolutely best life, and I'm so freaking happy. Anyway, he said to me, he's like, this is unreal. This feels like a holiday, but this is unreal. I'm like, welcome. This is how the other side lives, Dad. And welcome to the rich life. Let's fucking go. And the man nearly cried. He goes, he didn't have a son, right? So he had 3 daughters. And he said, thank you, son. Bro, that made my day. You understand what I'm saying? He goes, thank you, son. And he gave me that made my day. I'm like, of course, man. Of course. Come on. That's it. Bro.
Today will be the first profit target, and then 326.2 is the next profit target. And then, take some off, guys. Pivot point is approaching, and it's yesterday low there as well, approaching soon. So keep trimming in strength. All right, trim some, guys. Dang, let's go.
That's heavy. Good shit. All right, visually, we didn't really see a close above the VWAP and the open price that I wanted to see on this SPY. So it kind of looks meh. Meh. I'm not gonna do Nvidia right now, bro. Don't really like it how we got respected that 200 moving average on QQQs. The chances of if it bounces off QQQ's 200 moving average again, it kind of looks, but absolutely insane trade on this AVGOB. Insane. Insane. Good stuff.
Beautiful profit target. It's yesterday low here, guys.
Yeah, good stuff.
Next profit target I have is 324.6 and then 322. Break even stop losses, no brainer. So we do it.
Insane, B. Let's go. Okay, so now what am I doing? We are watching. I think like genuinely the trades that we're gonna see will be on the names that are already like giving us trades. Like, for example, the trade will be if Nvidia makes a new low. Like, check this out. Nvidia and QQQs, they're pretty much like a carbon copy right now. You see what I'm saying? Every single candle has been from last probably 6-8 minutes has been pretty much exactly same. So that's the reason why I didn't do QQQs. If QQQs bounces off the hourly 200 moving average, you're going to see Nvidia bounce. I essentially don't want to take a risk. So right now the trades that we might see setting up will be on the names which I've already given us the trades in a way. So keep an eye on, look at this Apple, bro. Apple always want to be against the market, isn't it? Apple always want to be against the market. I think PLTR, somebody said there's a 200 moving average sitting there. 5-minute chart has a 200 moving average. And also earnings came out this morning, last night. So the IV would be settling a little bit as well. Hourly 200 moving average got rejected massively. Okay. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll see. PLTR looks not bad. Yeah, I like PLTR right now, bro. 155.6. Yeah, the 5-minute chart looks nice as well. I like PLTR, yes. I like PLTR for some puts. Me and PLTR, we have been decent friends lately. If we fail below 155.5 on PLTR, I think that's something that I'll be watching for 150 puts. Okay, so far looking good. 155.5 holding below. Bids and ask is holding above. All right. I'm jumping in this PLTR now. Okay. Shit, baby. The contracts moved nicely.
Yeah, looks nice. Contracts move. Low of the day flush will be nice. Come on, get your ass down. Look at that AVGO, guys. There you go.
AVGO is moving so crazy. Did anybody add to that AVGO, by the way, darling? Anybody added to that AVGO from the previous candle? Why? The trade's working in your favor. Why not? All right, let's see if PLTR breaks below this 155 mark, fam. 155 mark is key. I'm also gonna go on a 60-minute chart. Actually, you know what? Let me turn on. Let me put on the KCU indicator levels on it. I haven't drawn levels on PLTR, so I'm gonna go and put on KCU indicator levels. Loading. Let's see how this one goes. AVGO, absolutely insane trade. All right, PLTR closed below the previous lows. All right, based off the next level on PLTR, the next level is 151. Oh my god. Okay, no. We'll pay attention to this 200 moving average on a 10-minute chart, 152-ish. Let's see if the prices can really come down to 152. That'll be absolutely insane. Actually, you know what? The next level looks like quite further away. Let's go on a 60-minute chart, see if we can find something. All right.
153.4.
Yeah. 150. Yeah, okay. Clearly my level is not really loading as good.
And then it's gonna go from pivot to pivot.
Oh, my bad.
We need is
my bad. My bad. There has been a new update on the indicator that I didn't update. All right. I like, why is my indicator looks a little bit crooked? 153.4 is the level. Yeah, 154-ish. We'll watch. Let's see.
324.5. I said on AVGO, guys. You guys can essentially trim some. Next level is 322.2. Don't forget, it's the news at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Let's see if PLTR breaks below 155. And what's you guys' fill price on this PLTR? My fill price is absolutely beautiful. As soon as I got in, it straight away started moving. Like, it didn't take 1 second. My fill price got like 2.06. As soon as I got it, it's like up 10% right now. As soon as I jumped in, it straight away started moving. Absolutely beautiful. All right, you have QQQs broke below the previous 200 moving average as well. Absolutely beautiful. AVGO might be another ad, my brother.
So I know, but yeah.
AVGO might be another ad. Look like, oh no, not anymore. The previous candle, last second. All right, let's see if PLTR gets below 155. PLTR, come on, darling. Yeah, PLTR previous 2-minute candle looks like meh. 2-minute candle looks like meh. 5-minute chart still looking decent. Let's see if we make a new low of the day. We get into a VIG fill below this. That'll be really, really good. Let's go. Okay, beautiful day so far. Beautiful trade so far. You took Microsoft, AVGO. I took PLTR and Nvidia. 4 out of 4, baby. 4 out of 4 so far. Let's go. All right, I want to see a low of the day break, 154.8 break on this PLTR. Let's see if we can break below. Yeah, there is a basketball setup loading as well. We'll see if the prices come down and how fast it's coming down towards this zone. It's quite further away so far, so you can just set an alert and just don't worry about it for now. If it comes to the zone, we'll keep an eye on it. I want to see, all right, absolutely beautiful. Congratulations, y'all. Nearly 20% on this PLTR. 154-ish probably I'll be targeting. I'm quickly going to go on a bigger time frame to see if there is any level that we're missing. All right, next level 153.5, and I believe there is a pivot point as well, roughly sitting there. So the way the prices are going, the way everything is going so far, yeah, we made a new lows. I believe we might come down to 153.5 on this.
Guys, if you want to trim some, we're heading to news in 10 seconds, yeah?
Yeah,
Sure.
actually, yeah, feel free to take a little bit off as well, guys. 20% on this PLTR, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I think data might be delayed or data might not be, coming out, whatever. But beautiful so far. 10 o'clock, we jump into a 5-minute chart. Literally, this indicator tells you we use 5-minute chart. How beautiful is that? Yeah, freaking blows my mind, man. Blows my mind.
It's good. I'm telling you, bro. I started making extra 10K a month straight away.
All right, let's see if SPX got into the zone. So far, it's moving a little bit wild, darling. You have this 200 moving average on a 5-minute chart sitting there. You have this 400 moving average on SPX sitting right there as well. I don't know why I'm trying to delete my alert. It's not deleting. Okay, I'm watching this SPX for small position size if I do end up taking it. Keeping an eye. It just has been extremely strong. I mean, just look at the AVGO. Look at the AVGO. I don't know if anybody added to that AVGO. Oh my God, darling. Shit.
322.22. 322.22. I yelled.
Hey, how bloody good is that? Congratulations, y'all. Momentum's too strong on this SPX, so we're not right now playing this SPX. I want to see the price action slow down and then worry about it. So far, all right, look at that profit taken on PLTR, family. Look at that profit taken on PLTR. Hey, did you guys take profits when we said take profits? Come on. How bloody beautiful is that? Bro, look at that. Oh my God. All right, break even, watch break even for your exit. AVGO, beautiful as well, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Look at that PLTR profit taken literally right at the bottom, man. Absolutely insane. All right, now SPX way too strong. There's absolutely no point for us taking a bounce. No, it's way too strong. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Beautiful. All right.
Big profits AVGO, guys. Big pivot here, big level 320 approaching.
Insane.
So make sure call the whole move, man.
Insane. Let's go. And hey, let's go. Keep pumping, y'all. Keep pumping. Everybody, this is how you guys should be trading, man. Yesterday when the market was slow, you know what we did? We kind of took it easy. Today the market's nice. Hey, pump it up, baby. You understand what I'm saying? That's it. Look at the half an hour into the market open. It's absolutely beautiful. ਪਿਆ ਬੋਲੇ ਸੀ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ 10 ਬਿੱਲੋ ਐਸੀ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ 10 ਬਿੱਲੋ ਐਸੀ ਟੈਂਜਰ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਆ ਡਿਫੈਂਡਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ come on y'all look at that profit taking on that PATR darling ਚੈਂਬਰਾ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਸਾਧ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਲੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਵੈਰ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀ ਜੇ ਕਰੀ ਵੈਲ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ Bro, what a fucking profit taking on that PLTR, bro. What a profit taking on that PLTR right at the bottom. Bro, insane. It's like, it kind of feels like we're the market makers right here. It kind of feels like, hey, we're the market makers. Insane. All right, we're going to keep an eye on this SPX as well. We're going to keep an eye on this SPX. Previous candle, absolutely beautiful candle. I'm going to keep an eye on this SPX if it gets down to the zone one more time, smaller time frame, looking absolutely beautiful as well.
How about my profit taking, Samir?
Bro, AVGO, look at that profit taking as well. It's just insane. The way we can do this, how we can do this, it just blows my mind, man. It's just we have a system and we keep abusing the system at this stage to fucking make the money. And hey, you guys should be fucking proud of yourself, man. You understand what I'm saying? So freaking beautiful. We're looking for a bounce, bro. I'm looking for a little bounce because there's going to be some profit taking because SPY made such a huge move. There's going to be some sort of profit taking and I want to catch that profit taking move. 69.70 calls is what I'm loaded up, bro. Stop loss can be just literally on the other side of this basketball. Again, tiny size. I'm not doing crazy size. I'll add to the trade and make the money. But this tiny size right here. Let's see if you can see a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, the tiny size. I probably fucking should not have jumped in because the moment I pressed the button, the contract's already moved because the price is bounced a little bit. All right. So how many? I am in 4 contracts right now. No, 4 contracts right now. I want to add to this once it starts moving in my favor. I probably will add another 6. Yeah, but nothing crazy, guys. Take it easy for now. I just realized my back hurts. I forgot about it before. All right, we have 4 moving averages and stuff, and that's one of the big reasons why. There's one of the big reasons why we're doing super tiny size. If we break above all of this, if we break above all these zones, it'd be nice. If we break above the zone of their level, that's the point. Also, it has been extremely weak. There's going to be some sort of profit taken, and I'm just thinking, where would that profit taken be? Some sort of profit taken will push the price towards the upside, and that profit taken is what I'm excited about. Profit taken means other smart money taking some profits and make the prices bounce on this SPY. And on all the other names, there will be some sort of profit taken, and us catching their trade. No addition yet. No, we'll see. I want to see a little bit of a bounce before even thinking about addition. Amazon is a trend. Fuck Amazon, bro. All right. Watching this SPY. QQQ just made a new low. SPY is holding the new lows. No. Momentum is way too strong. Yeah, momentum is way too strong. Let's see this lows. This darling goes. 4 contracts. $200 a contract. $800. 43 low of the day holding so far. I'm still in. I want to see how this fucking price action goes. Only made like a 50 cent move on this SPY. Low of the day holding so far. We have a lot of names that are bouncing. That are on 200 moving average on an hourly. You have this.
And Qs have yesterday low there.
Yeah, there's some sort of confluences. There are heaps of confluences there. But now, if it doesn't bounce sexy enough, there's no. I don't think the news was even good enough for the market to dump that bad, or bad enough for the market to dump that bad, or even the news came out. Yeah, the news didn't even come out. Is it too late? Yes, very late. Yeah. Needs to see a bounce. The ad probably, if it gets above 69.50, that's my gonna be my ad where I know the confirmation has kicked in, where the price is bounced off this. This candle will look like shit if it gets above 69.50.
This 5-minute candle close green, Ramesh?
If this candle turns green, it's just that's literally 69.50. If it gets above 69.50, this candle's green.
Because QQQ says yesterday low as a confluence. That's why, which is good.
Yeah. Let's see. 50 seconds to go. SPY call. Yeah, bro. Essentially just looking for this. If the prices bounce off here, a tiny bounce. No, not even looking for a big ass bounce. Tiny bounce, even leading to 693.8, 693.9 on SPY. There'll be a $10 bounce. That'll be nice. All right, the contract's moving nice in our favor right now. Went from $200 down to like $70 down right now on a contract. Only have 4 contracts right now, so nothing crazy. I want to see it get above 69.50. If this candle closes green, bro, it becomes like a doji candle right at the bottom. Fuck my, looks sweet straight away. All right, the 5-minute candle closed green on this SPY and SPX. This is good. All right, I'm looking for a ad. Essentially, if the prices get above 400 moving average on SPY and 200 moving average on SPX. Everybody on the same page with me? Hey, everybody understood so far?
Meet Patel, he's in SPY calls.
Come on, darling. Get your ass up.
She's trying.
Get your ass up, baby. So you need the song, bro. That's a very superstitious of you. Very, very superstitious of you, sir. Yeah, there is a reason why the prices look like it's getting rejected right now. One of the reasons is we have definitely 200 and 400 sitting right at the top. But hey, that doesn't that doesn't give us a reason to take away that the previous 5 minute candle on SPY QQQ is closed pretty fucking good. So you see what I'm saying? Should I be trying to enter a trade or watching because I missed it? I mean, I think above, if we genuinely get above their levels where I'm going to be adding, probably won't be a bad idea, roughly around there. So far, chill. Yeah, right now, probably chill. That's fine. We're doing a Vic fill right now. Hopefully it doesn't fucking do an entire Vic fill, and hopefully it bounces off of this critical zone where the prices have bounced off on the previous chart. Yeah. 2 minute chart looks meh. For it to freaking bounce, you gotta bounce right now, or it's not gonna bounce for you at all.
Nah, I think we should cut off.
Yeah, if you're gonna bounce, you gotta bounce right now, or it's not gonna bounce at all. Because it kind of did it. Yeah, it kind of did a Vic fill. Not gonna bounce at all otherwise. QQQ is holding the previous lows. The QQQ's not making any new lows. QQQ's been extra dramatic all day, so if that one holds, we have this SPY. We can cut it soon. I'm all ready to go. Yeah, AVGO looks good for ad. Yeah. I'm still in. I want to just see this QQQ's fucking bounce a little bit, darling.
AVGO US can wait for to go below.
Yeah, I'm cutting it. Yeah, I'm cutting this SPY. Yeah, I'm cutting this shit now. It would have been fucking nice if the previous candle got respected. Yeah, got out. All right.
What's next?
What next, Ray?
Oracle on the corridor?
SPX last couple of days, bro. It's been not gonna lie. Last couple of days, SPX has been acting like a brand new Sheila. Hasn't been acting that friendly in it. Last couple of days, SPX has been acting we acting like strangers on this. Normal day, no problem. Last couple of days, it has been acting a little weird. I think yesterday was a little bit weird as well. It's for the streets? I know. Now I mean they named it State Street. Now it's for the now that we ruined it.
Let's get it tomorrow.
Right. Nvidia put.
Watching the Nvidia file, did you put?
Nvidia looks not bad on next candle actually. We got on AMD we have 200 moving average on an hourly chart right at the bottom. I'm just throwing it out there for us.
It's a top, man. It's on bottom.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
On hourly?
Yeah.
Okay, my bad then.
Nvidia below 180.5.
Yeah, Nvidia below 180.5 looks nice. Yeah, Nvidia below 180, yeah. Yeah,
let's see.
Yeah, 180 puts looking nice. 0.5, hold in. I got in as well.
Yeah, me too. I did it in Nvidia. Oh, AVGO, sorry.
Let's see, 180 breaks. 180 is quite a critical level on this. Yeah, and Nvidia 180, just a whole number. I remember last time we were trading around 180 a couple weeks ago. It was moving really nice. Well, below 180, probably we're looking at 179 point some shit. Yeah, 180 would be a critical zone if 180 breaks. Yeah, hopefully this SPY. If this SPY bounces now, bro, oh my goodness, I'm telling you, bro. If SPY bounces now after stopping me out, oh my god. They.
This is alright.
Nah, I mean, for now, I just want to see Nvidia hold below get below 180.5. Nvidia chart, 5 minute chart looks very, very beautiful. I'm not even watching this SPY chart anymore. Let's see. Probably on the other side. Look at that PLTR, bro. Check that PLTR. What happened? Literally right at the bottom is where we took profits on that PLTR. It's insane. It's insane, I know. It's crazy. Okay. I personally think we might get a nice entry. If this 5-minute candle closes the way we're closing SPY, QQQs, or SPX, we might get a nice entry for puts. Right? Let's see. NVIDIA puts, yeah, we're in NVIDIA puts. By the way, guys, I type every single play in my channel. Like, every single play that is like a high quality A+ setup, I type in my channel. So if you guys are like, oh, what did he say? It's typed in my channel, so you can quickly check in some H trades. NVIDIA below this price for these contracts. You understand what I'm saying? Microsoft 60%, insane. NVIDIA, let's get below 180. We're good to go, baby. We're good to go below 180. NVIDIA price target 179 point. Yeah, NVIDIA probably around that number, bro. 179, 180 has to break. 180 breaks. That's a bet we're taking right now. 180 breaks. 180 breaks will be very, very good. It'll be setting up really nice. Yeah, 180 would be the bet. Right now, there's nothing setting up other than the trade that we're already in. Probably Microsoft for the next candle, but not really.
Yes.
SPY QQQs would be the watch, of course. Probably QQQs. I like the way the QQQ chart are going. Definitely weak, but we'll see for the next candle how the next candle goes. SPY has hourly. Say it again, V.
Qs looks really nice.
Yeah, SPY has it. Yeah, exactly. SPY has hourly quite further away, bro. 690.7. That's like $2 away from now. From this point on. From this point, so it looks decent. So we'll keep an eye. Okay, candle's closing. Candle is about to close. Yeah, we're not gonna do SPY, but we might do QQQ puts. QQQ puts looking not bad at all, bro. Really quickly, what are the next level on QQQs? The next levels that we have is this is the wick right here where the low of the day is. Next level is 617.45, and then comes your probably 615.5. That QQQ is looking not bad. Yeah. How wide's the stop loss in this QQQs? Oh, stop loss is too wide, darling. Ease. Stop loss way too wide on this QQQs, baby. Yeah, nah. Stop loss too wide. If we're gonna do it, take a trade because 5-minute chart looks good. I mean, we have to freaking switch to the 2-minute chart to get the entry with a little bit of a better in a way. Yeah, better entry in a way. We have to switch to the small time frame. Yeah, otherwise no. 5-minute base of a 5-minute chart, there is no way in the world I'm gonna be taking that trade. All right, I just realized. Okay, so here's the thing. I just realized something cool about. I was just because my brain's just like looking for answers. When my brain's looking for answers, I'm always like keeping an eye. I just went on my journal and I realized last few SPX basketball bounces. My losers, like, here's the thing, bro, about day trading, you have to be humble enough to just understand, okay, you made a mistake. And I just looked at my journals right now. Last 10 losers that I've had on SPX, about 6 or 7 of them came on the day when I'm trying it on a 20 day. That's something, hey, that you guys should write it down so we can avoid it moving forward. Came from a 20 day. So that goes in my journals saying, no on a 20 day, not again. Okay, beautiful. Good. Now my brain can rest a little bit. Now my brain can chill a little bit. Okay, QQQs, 2-minute chart looking absolutely beautiful. 5-minute chart looking nice. You have this potentially on a 2-minute chart if you okay, NVIDIA 180. Come on, darling, break below 180. QQQs, watching this QQQs as well. Even on a 2-minute chart, man, the stop loss was freaking wide. Even based off a 2-minute chart, your stop loss was like 80 cents. I wasn't like really excited about it, to be honest. 80 cents means 50%, 60%. So no problem. Yeah, no problem. We'll see. Bam, 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 bam. AVGO, look at that AVGO. Did anybody add to that AVGO when I was talking about adding to the AVGO trade before? Look at that AVGO, bro. Hey, congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, whoever played that. Hey, good stuff. Hey, good stuff. It's melting, baby. Good stuff. All right, 180 NVIDIA. Come on, baby. NVIDIA is at nearly 10% right now. All right, over 10%, 180 broke. Beautiful. Let's see 179.2 now. 179 point, yeah, around that area. All right, QQQs, what a fucking move. Oh my God. All right, congratulations on this. NVIDIA, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. 20%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. V, look at that Microsoft, bro. I don't know if anybody played the Microsoft. Hey, we mentioned Microsoft before. Look at that Microsoft, babe. Hey, absolutely, absolutely, baby. Absolutely, baby. What a beautiful fucking trade. Okay, good. Now we're gonna. Yeah, hey, good stuff. Good. Somebody said they took Microsoft. Good. QQQs. What a fucking insane freaking move. There's 200 approaching on this SPY. If anybody took that QQQs, by the way, feel free to take it a bit off. Hey, that QQQ trade would have fucking paid, bro. It would have paid. In it, bro. QQQ's trade would have paid. Yeah, QQQ's trade would have paid, darling. So you took it. I didn't take it, no. I didn't take that QQQ's, no. Almost 50%, yeah. Nice. The SPX trade went back, the retest of the 69.50 was not bad. Kind of moved as well. Kind of paid, but I'm gonna see if this. Kalina said that's what I took. Hey, good. Like minds, Kalina. Let's go. I'm just gonna see if this Nvidia. We have Nvidia if it gets below. It's retesting this 180 now. If it gets below this 180 again, probably 179.2. What's the next level on Microsoft? I need to go check, bro. Give me a second. And did you take anybody? Anybody took profits on this QQQs when I said take profits on this QQQs, bro? Look where it bounced. Check that out. Look where it bounced. How bloody beautiful. Like literally watching the market like a freaking beast at this stage. Bro, Microsoft is insane right now.
411.7.
Microsoft's insane. 411.7 you said, right? I think there might be a little bit of a level sitting around this 412.5 V. Coming from last year, 20th of Feb. And then 411. And then 410. It kind of bounced off exactly that level today as well. If it breaks below that, that'll be nice. Look at that. Oh my God, everybody who took profits on this QQQs, congratulations, bro. Yeah, congratulations. Insane. Okay. So, bro, LTP just works pretty much everywhere. Hey, thank you. Thank you, sir. I know. Probably we'll be keeping an eye on this Microsoft for ad, eh? Oh no, it's not a it is what it is. Yeah, couple things off. No problem. Massive bounce on this SPY QQQs. Absolutely freaking insane. All right, sweet. Let's see how we go if we get an entry again and another entry on this AVGO. We have. Nah, Tesla is looking crappy, man. Why would I trade that while I have so many other cool setups that I can trade? We'll also keep an eye on this NVIDIA as well if it gives us another ad. Thoughts on Meta? Meta, actually, I was watching this. I was looking at this Meta before. Meta looking not bad. It broke their dynamite level of 700, made a massive move towards the downside. Essentially, right now, you probably, because of the dynamite broke, probably you can keep an eye on this 2-minute chart is setting up a beautiful PC. We can just take a trade based off the 2-minute chart. Looks not bad at all. And your stop loss will be a little bit tighter as well comparatively because the dynamite broke. So we can quickly jump to a smaller time frame and you can take a trade below probably, let's say, 696. If 696 breaks, $2 wide stop loss on Meta, that's pretty freaking insane. And you can trade like 690 puts and those contracts will pay. Does that make sense? Yeah, actually, I'm watching that Meta now. Yeah, I'm watching that Meta. Let's see, 696. Ask is holding above 696 so far. Ask broke below the first 5-second rule. Do not execute a trade within the first 5 seconds of the candle. Or first 5 seconds is holding. Or it got above 696. No, so no entry yet. Sweet. Let's see if it breaks below 696. We'll be keeping an eye. By the way, first 5-second rule simply says first 5 seconds do not take a trade. Now it's holding below 696. Looking decent. Yep, I got in. On this Meta. Picked up some Meta. Let's see if we can really let go of this 696 area. Really let go of this 696 area. I'm also keeping an eye on this Nvidia for an ad probably on the next channel. Yeah, I want to see the 696 really let go. Probably next target 690, 691, 690. Yeah. I just went on a 2-minute chart because on a 5-minute chart we broke the dynamite level on this Meta, bro. That's the only reason. Just to base off my entry a little bit better. So we'll see. Yeah, this is the sort of stuff that I've backtested quite actually heavily. After the dynamite breaks, jumping on 2-minute chart to get a little bit better entry. It's worked really well in the past. Let's see, we need to just break below 696. 696 break would be really nice. For Nvidia, I'm watching this. Nvidia watching pretty much same thing. 180 break, 179.6. Break below that, that'll be nice. So far 696 still holding on this bids and ask on this bids. On this Meta, we need to see this bids and ask completely fail. That'll be nice. Prices are getting rejected off this 697-ish level that we had. 696 really needs to just get cleared. Next level is base of the risk to reward looks absolutely insane on this Meta. You're risking like a couple dollars to potentially make like $6 towards the downside. Looks insane. All right, let's see if it completely lets go of this 696. Yeah, completely let's go off 696. Yeah, 696 complete break below will be nice. Nvidia. So Nvidia look at the Nvidia chart and compare that with QQQ chart. Carbon copy. Fuck's sake. Like exact copy. Alright, big bounce that we are seeing on this Meta right now. 697.5. 690. I want to see a break below this. We'll get back into the 696 area. 696 bids and ask. I liked that 696 bids and ask holding. Above 697. I like the 696 area, to be honest. Contract's not really killing it right now. Down like I think 20-ish%, less than 20%. Get below 690, 696 again. I'll get into the zone of 696 again. Stop loss never got hit in a way. On the bids and ask, let's see. I don't know if anybody still in that Microsoft. Look at that Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft looks nice.
Microsoft's going crazy right now. Let's see how this one goes. Your Meta needs to completely give up 696. Completely give up 696. Sweet. Let's make a big move, darling. You good? 695. Let's go. Meta loves those $5 marks, bro. 695 break. We'll be Gucci. What a trade, bro. Every single trade has been absolutely sick that we have taken today, bro. I want to see a break below 695. Both bids and ask get below 695 on this Meta. Bids and ask are holding decent. You have your ask that I've been noticing. Ask is not actually...
It's 411.7.
On Microsoft. Yeah. Your ask price on... the bid price on Meta on Meta has been constantly, like, it holds above a certain level, then it fails really quick. So that usually tells me that the buyers are not really, really freaking loving the price action. They're like, oh, I can get something cheaper. Why would I pay high price right now? And that's usually a good sign. And every single time a critical level breaks, the bids and asks spread gets really, really small, like comes down to like 20 cents. That usually tells me that there is some sort of selling pressure coming from the top as well, and they keep just lowering the numbers. So sit below 695, hold below 695. I think we might be good to go. How did you not get stopped out of on Meta? Because you're watching bids and ask, no price, bro.
Yep. Don't watch NVIDIA and PQQs.
Yeah. Nvidia looks nice. Nvidia looks nice, actually.
NVIDIA PQQs for
Yeah. 411 is a level that you should be looking to for Microsoft, bro. Nvidia looks nice. Nvidia looks nice.
It looks beautiful as well.
Nvidia looks nice. QQQs look nice. Yeah, guys. Simple LTP play, man. Yeah, simple LTP setup.
Look at my profit taking on Microsoft.
Microsoft. I'm watching. I was thinking 411 level. Well, let's see. You said 411.7, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to see this Meta give up this 695 zone, 695 completely. It's holding below 696, which is nice. Break below 695 completely. The contracts are not kind of dying in value right now, so it's decent. So let's see. Meta is, that's the Meta's TCS. For Nvidia TCS, I probably have TCS maybe 179 point. If it gets again 179.7ish, breaks below that zone, might be decent for a quick little sprinkle as another trade on top. The LTPs are insane, right? Thank you, my sir. I worked very hard on it, my G.
Yeah, put heart and soul into it.
Let's see, Nvidia below 179.7. We have this Meta acting up again. This stupid bitch bouncing on this 695 level. So far it's holding below, so no problem. Is it 200 moving average on SPY holding everything up? Is it? I was thinking probably. No, actually, yeah, you're right. 200 moving average on SPY holding everything up. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. All right, let's see how this one goes.
Thinking of adding into PQQs.
I'm thinking of bro. I don't know. I didn't do the QQQs, to be honest, because my
I didn't do the video.
because my level was sitting right at the bottom, 617.45, the level that I drew in the pre-market. It was sitting right at the bottom, or actually the level that I drew before, it was sitting right at the bottom. So it's not like how if it breaks below that, probably, still in this Meta. Let's see if the 5-minute candle closes here, or potentially, or maybe it will be the first kind of like a level flag in a way setting up right now below the level that we are watching. So 696.8 is a level that I drew in the pre-market, and below the level we are forming a beautiful flag, kind of like a level flag strategy right now. So this candle closes in about 30 seconds, and that will lead to so people who trade levels, they are jumping in. People who trade flags, they're jumping in. So it will be nice confluence for the next candle, and it can push towards 691ish. That's something that I'm keeping an eye on this Meta for now. Okay. Look at that Microsoft bounce. Fucking insane. V411.7. You were right, bro. You were right. Yeah. Look at the Tesla confluence bounce. Insane, isn't it? All right. Let's see if this level flag strategy, how it goes on this Meta right now, to be honest. Break below the flag, break below the level, and see if we can see. And also, it'll be breaking below that, kind of like a level that we saw in today's level, 695. Might be onto something here. That ass is stuck in Nvidia. Nvidia contracts are not down big, bro. They're like down like what, $6, $5? They're not down heavy on this NVIDIA. It's just holding this 180-ish area, kind of making a flag right here. We'll see how this one goes. Still in this meta. Meta stop loss is so freaking close right now. Yeah, I'm going to jump out of the meta if it gets bid and ask above 698. So far, still holding below 698. It needs to fucking make a quick move towards the downside, that's for sure. The bids need to freaking break. We have 697.5 on the bids now. Alright, 697.1. These bids need to go. Yeah, these bids get back into the 696-ish on the bids. I'm more comfortable around the 696. Like, I'm like, chill. As soon as it gets to 697, I'm like, oh, I gotta execute.
Yeah.
All right.
No,
It looks. Yeah, okay, it looks really nice. Potentially, if this candle breaks, that's so good because it kind of went back and retested the 698 zone. If it breaks below the flag, it's absolutely beautiful. I said, bro, only thing that you need to do is play smack that. I know, bro. I know. That's the last resort that we have. Hey, that's why I'm not playing there so far, because that's the last resort. You understand what I'm saying? It's literally the last thing that we can do. If it doesn't go down even with that, there's nothing that can push this down. You understand what I'm saying? Let's play that, man. Fuck it. See from my shadow. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Smack that. Smack that. Oh. Smack that. Oh. Come on, darling. Get your ass down, you bitch. Gripping up, see from my shadow. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Smack that. Smack that. Oh. Come on, y'all. Type smack that in the chat, y'all. Let me hear some fucking noise, y'all. Come on. See from my shadow. Over. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Come on, darling, get your ass down, bitch. Let's go. Oh. Smack that. Smack that. Smack that. Oh. Get your ass down, darling. 694, baby. Break below that. Creeping up is the heat from my shadow. Over. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Come on, darling. Get your ass down, baby. 694. Oh. So smack that. Oh. Bro, I do not like when the song finishes at the wrong time. I want this bitch to break below 694. It's just a rich fucking song. It just pushes the price down as soon as the song finishes. Fucking. Play one more. Play one more time, bro. Don't stop. I know, bro. You're like a witchcraft right now. That's for sure. I know, bro. He said, don't stop, bro. All right, man. You're right. Man, not allowed to talk in his Discord no more. See? Whoa! You know, see from my shadow. Come on. Don't stop, baby. It's almost there. Yes. Over. Smack that all on the floor. All right, here's the thing about meta that I'm realizing. All right, it broke below the flag, it broke below the level, it broke below the 700 mark. Did a beautiful level flag strategy in a way. There is absolutely no reason for this stock to fucking bounce right here. There's like if you're looking at the reasons for why would it bounce, there is none. It broke below the 700 mark, gave you a beautiful freaking pullback, went back, retested this 80 MA. It looks absolutely the freaking stock to go. But, however, your SPY is not helping. SPY is freaking bouncing over and over again at the 200 moving average on an hourly chart. It's not happening. You understand what I'm saying? SPY needs to freaking not have crazy green candles and we're good to go. You understand what I'm saying? So right now, it's just SPY ruining the fun. SPY's like, it is SPY that's ruining the fun right now, baby. Come on, SPY. Bitch ass, just fucking hold around here. Let the meta go down first. Let it go down to 691, then you can bounce. Fuck's sake. Right? Let's see. SPY for the streets now. SPY is just, bro, SPY last few days has been a bitch. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, last few days, SPY has been absolutely crappy. To a point. It's not the best. Hey, somebody said it's a song that finished at the wrong time. I know. Every single time, bro. It's a way too. It's a song that finished at the wrong time. I know. If it would have kept going freaking for a little bit longer. Oh my god. Yeah, it's since the name changed to State Street, it just started being freaking crap. Alright, with that being said, y'all, we have... I'm stuck in this stupid meta trade. I mean, the trade looks fine, they're just fucking not respecting none of these stupid levels. Let's go, caught above 697 again. This time the SPY is bouncing a little bit heavier, so this time it's bouncing. It looks like I'm gonna fucking go and hit my stop loss this time. And this time I'm not very comfortable about holding it. Before I was like comfy, no problem. Because SPY was still marking around a little bit, you know. This time it looks serious. This time it looks like it's serious. Your bids and ask hold above 698. That's 3, 4, 5 seconds. Bitch. So should we buy calls, bro? Fuck my. Don't talk to me for fucking 2 minutes. You understand what I'm saying? Don't talk to me for fucking 2 minutes, bro. Fuck my. I'm out of this fucking meta, bro. That one hurt. These contracts hurt. Yeah, the 1 day contracts hurt. Why did I take meta? It was fucking nice. It was a beautiful freaking trade. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. How about SPY basketball? Fuck SPY basketball, bro. I ain't doing none of that shit. I ain't doing none of that shit, my brother. Like, I ain't want to talk to nobody right now, bro. Fuck, my. The meta trade absolutely looking beautiful, and it bitch fucking turned around like a total CUNT. No problem.
What's next?
No problem. It is what it is. Right, B? Recency bias. Hey. Recency bias. So the red candle volume was dropping. Was the reason why we should not have taken that? No, not really, bro. Not really. It just was consolidating. That's why the volume was dropping. It is what it is at the end of the day. No risk, no Rari, bro. Aye. You understand? It is what it is. What next? Is it that it was still a great trade to take within the LTP? Yeah, of course. Like, we took so many LTP trades today, bro. Hey, who here didn't take any of the trades we took today? You didn't take QQQ, you didn't take AVGO, Microsoft, Nvidia, none of that shit, and you only took Microsoft. There gotta be somebody. There gotta be somebody who only took Microsoft. Come on. Say me. Easy. Hey, Haley, you're in the call right now. Make a list. Make a list of everybody. Come on, let's go. Make a list. Hey. My God. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Easy. Next time I'm gonna ask all these people. Like, I only took one trade. Yeah, I'm gonna literally ask them, are you taking the trade? Yes, I'm not taking it. Are you gonna take the trade? No, I'm jumping in. Bro. That's it. Sold Meta at the bottom for $5. Yeah, I mean, the contracts went up like $20-30. But it is what it is. Who's Haley? She kind of handles all the back end, like, operations and stuff. Because there's heaps that goes into the whole ops, bro. Hey, good trades, bro. Good trades. Regardless of this recent trade, we had a pretty good fucking run on the day. I'm just now. I think we did the same mistake. Nah, bro, this from my back test, I'll take this trade all over again if you set up again. So it's totally different. Last week I went on a smaller time frame based off of FOMO because I was feeling FOMO. Today it wasn't FOMO, it was actual genuine trade. After a big dynamite level, massive moves, level break, the 696.8 level that I drew in the pre-market, went on a smaller time frame, looked for the entry, smacked it. That was it. So yeah. Yeah, it was none of the where you go, oh, I'll take the trade again if it sets up tomorrow. So pretty decent. Okay, and this note, I think. At this stage, probably, what do we have? Tesla. So why is everybody so quiet? Bro, I'm not allowed to freaking breathe.
Yeah, from yesterday's post that I posted on Instagram about the Epstein stuff that I put my take on it. Somebody reached out my DMs. There is no way in the world you can say something like this. How dare you? I'm like, do you day trade? No. I'm like, then that post is not for you. It's a day trading fucking page. Get off here. Hey, how easy is that? Like, do you day trade? No. I'm like, that then the post is not for you. Get the fuck out. Fuck. Why you? I'm like, then why are you bothering me for? Fuck, boy. All right. Yeah, guys. We I don't know if many people know that there is what we do inside the inside Discord is we have a channel called Trades. So in this channel called Trades, all right, you can essentially post your trades, any trades that you want us to go over. You can post your trade. You can tag me, Nathaniel, or Justin, Sayev, and you can just tag any of us. And we will literally, a trade will be reviewed by a human. You see what I'm saying? Can you rename it to trade review? Yes, good idea. And you can have your trade reviewed by an admin and see what mistake you made. And these are not like little reviews. Like you get a full blown review. Please do not be one of those people who send their fill price. Some people legit, like in my DMs, is like, hey bro, can you review my trade? Yeah, what's up? And they send me the fill price. I'm like, do you really freaking think I'm gonna look at your fill price, go to the chart, and then try to put, all right, you entered here, bro? No, I ain't doing all that work. You have your chart fully with the reasoning why you entered, why you exit. More information you give us, more better. I'm not just looking at your fill prices and be like, oh, then gonna go tally it on the chart and give you an answer. Why you entered, why you exit, what's the plan to do, what would you do better next time, and then mark your entry on the charts where exactly you entered. What was the profit taking, what were you looking at? Yeah, there's a full structure behind it. Like, look at that structure. Hanson just posted in the chat, there's a full structure that you can, it's the best thing you can do, and then you post in the trade review, and then someone from the team literally look at your full trade journal, see what you made mistake, and break it down for you. All right, y'all. Use these opportunities, man. These are the opportunities that you have to get better at any trades that anywhere you're fucking up. And just keep it real. Be honest honest reviews. We're not gonna be like, oh, that's okay. It's okay to do this dumb shit. No, if you did dumb shit, we're gonna, hey, you see what I'm saying? You did dumb shit, we're gonna let you know. And also, if you have some winning trade which you did really, really good and you performed really good, send in that trade as well. Hey guys, this is a trade that I took and I think I managed it really well. And just write no feedback needed. You understand what I'm saying? Just write in the brackets no feedback needed. Essentially what that means is that will be good trade, an example for a lot of people who are posting in that channel what a good trade look like. Understand? All right. What else, Ray? My brother, you see something?
Nothing, man. 10-minute charts. 9 minutes, 30-second patience. No, I'm not in favor here.
Oh, man. Market got slow straight away, hey. Market got slow a little bit in the afternoon. We had like really, really clean morning. Go slow.
I had a good day, so much.
Yeah, no, I had a good day as well, bro. Shit. Yeah, there's heaps of trades that we caught. It's just at the end of the day, bro, I'm looking for what next. If there is something, I'm gonna take it. If there is nothing, hey, we're gonna call it a day. That's what's up. I'm done for the day. Yeah, good. How is it that there is? Okay, hang on. Let me see if he replied though. Fuck my bro. How is it that Mr. Nathaniel, he checks everybody's message, but this man doesn't check my WhatsApp message? Very, very good. Been weeks now. Shit. That's it. I just gotta be like, hey man, check your WhatsApp messages, bro. Because I know for a fact he's one. You know, Nathaniel is. He's like, if you need something from him towards the end of the month, you text him at the start of the month. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna be like 4 weeks advance, like legit. So if I need something, like I'm like, okay, and on March 1st we're gonna do this, so I gotta text him like at least first week of Feb. So he gets back to me like probably last week of Feb, so we can. All right, he just replied. Sweet, good. All right, y'all. Let's see what else do we have in here, man? I am thinking
Microsoft.
I'm thinking this. I think the market overall has gone into a chop up until the market charts just reset themselves. I don't think there is going to be a sexy trade. I mean, the trades that will be there or looking a little bit sexy. I mean, the only trade that is right now is still a trade, is that Nvidia trade. And I believe you guys still in that Nvidia. I don't know. Anybody still in that Nvidia trade, by the way? It's in profit. It's like, no crazy profit, but it is in profit right now. It's like, it is in profit. But essentially, we want to see this 180 break. Will be nice. And that's about it, man. Right now, I don't think there is anything else they're going to be setting up soon. I think probably the best idea or the best bet after this is going to be just take a step back if nothing sets up quick enough. Took too many trades, bro. It took way too many trades. Essentially, Nvidia needs to go right now. I don't like those wicks that we've been seeing on at the bottom. Nvidia needs to get below 180 and just start moving pretty much quick. All right, let's see. Nvidia, get your ass down, darling. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We need some Aiken. Bro, it finishes at the wrong time, man. That's about it. I genuinely don't enjoy it. It finishes at the wrong time every single time. You understand what I'm saying? Fuck that. We legit, like, full on, bro. You're not gonna believe it. We actually sent him a email. We sent them an email saying we legit, like, full on, put Quincy on it to see if he can perform for us when we do a event. When we do an event on in Vegas. At first, the team was like, yeah, well, you know, sweet, no problem, whatever. And then towards the end, they're like, yeah, nah, it ain't happening. Bastard. And it's like, man.
That would be nuts, man.
It would have been crazy, right? But they're not doing it. I was like, if we take a trade and, you know, we have Aiken playing, and we jump into a trade and we have him freaking smack that, it would have been sick. You see what I'm saying?
And he can sing Hindi songs too.
Right?
He can sing a couple Hindi songs as well.
Insane, isn't it? Come on, Nvidia, get your ass down, baby. You got this, darling. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Make a new low of the day, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Man, I want to take TKQs, but what fucking don't want to give.
Hey, how good are these contracts moving right now? How good are these contracts on Nvidia moving? All right, 20%. Not bad at all. Good. Good. Finally, right? One of the longest trades I've ever been. That's it, bro. If the stop loss hasn't been triggered, then sometimes there's no reason for you to micromanage trades. You know your entry, you know your exit. You just sit there quietly and you stay quiet about the trade. You see what I'm saying? It works most of the times, actually. Theta can be a bit, but a little bit. There's always a little bit of an issue that you're always going to deal with theta. But you know, when your contracts are sitting so close, like you're sitting at the money, the prices are going at the money to in the money, at the money to in the money to at the money again. Theta is not that crazy of an issue, if that makes sense. Like we were in 180 puts, so 180 keeps going at to in. It's not. It doesn't hurt you as bad as you know, even one contract out of the money will be hurting you a little bit crazy. Would you try Meta again here? No, I'm done with Meta, to be honest. Dr. Kristen? No, I'm done with Meta right now, to be honest.
This one looks nice one.
Tesla. Man, there's 200 moving average at the bottom on a 10-minute chart, bottom open price, and the VWAP. Meh. You know what I'm saying?
So Mitch, guess what price PayPal is?
Hey?
PayPal, what price is it?
What is it? Bro,
Nearly $40.
I bought the dip on that bitch and it's still dipping, man. At this stage, PayPal can. I bought the dip on 100. Bro, I bought the dip at $140. I thought I'm winning. I bought 1,000 shares at $140 a share, $140,000. Now it's worth 40.
I got it in 30 seconds. Look at that, I need to up.
Now I'm and it's still dipping to this day. So now what I'm essentially thinking of this is we're gonna use it as a the only way I gotta use the loss somewhere. So the only way is probably gonna cut it soon and write off the losses, bro. Apple Pay is killing them. I don't think Apple Pay is killing them. They're killing themselves, bro. PayPal sucks. Businesses don't want to use them. They don't make enough money from. They don't make any money or much money from people. They went down because they started focusing more on because they started really giving shits to businesses. Like you do not know even one person who uses PayPal as a full-time thing, you know, that they do, like just PayPal for payment processing. You see what I'm saying? So there is not even one that I know, and I know a lot of business owners. There is actually a couple that uses it, but they probably make like $2,000 a month. So anytime they get somebody decent as a consumer, like we had one of the businesses that I invested in, and everything's legit. They set up a PayPal account, everything's good, submitted all the documentation and everything, and that's when I knew I'm in the wrong stock. I've bought some shares, and this I should sell, and the price was like about 75. I should have fucking sold, but whatever. Anyway, they literally said to this guy, they sent an email, sorry, your risk is way too wide. We cannot have your business anymore with us. And it was literally the first payment of about $2,500 that came in, and they shut down the account. I'm like, bro, how are you guys gonna make money? Like, this guy took his first payment on your freaking platform, and you're like, nah, the risk is too wide. Sorry, you can't let. I'm like, nah, that's it. There's somebody sitting on the other side. It's like, oh, bro, I gotta tally and match everything. I gotta match and this guy's gonna look like he set up an account a couple of days ago. He's already freaking started getting some money. Yeah, you know what? Let's just shut him down. Go to my competitor. Go to my competitor, bro. Right.
I want to shock something.
It's stupid, man.
I never thought it would went to that. On the other hand, Rocket Lab is there at
$80.
Yeah.
Is a PayPal owns Venmo? Yeah, Venmo is the same, bro. Venmo does the same shit. You fucking send a little bit decent money, Venmo freezes accounts left and right, and they charge you fucked enough fee. Crazy. It's cool. Yeah, it's quick, but you know, that's about it. Yeah, I had a friend of mine who said he Venmoed somebody money, and Venmo instant transfer should be instant, right? Hey, that's what it means. It took a couple of days, and he Venmoed his mother some money, the emergency money that she needed, and no, yeah, right. Yeah, I love Wise. Actually, we run with Wise pretty much. Yeah, for a lot of except crypto too. I don't think Wise accepts crypto, but Wise is pretty decent. It's really good. It's a good checking account as well. Like, you know, good for everything. All right.
What price?
What do you say?
What price would you start buying Bitcoin?
Probably around 40 grand.
It's close to again.
Nah. Probably, yeah.
We only got 75.
Yeah, if it breaks 75, 74, 500 is such a huge key level. If it breaks that, we definitely coming down to like probably 50, 60. It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting journey, man. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I've been hearing a lot of scary stories about Bitcoin and shit, you know. But yeah, even a couple of days ago, one of my friends sent me a things. Well, actually, no, not that. The guys that manage my money, and or used to manage my money in Florida, actually, he said he sold Bitcoin 2 months ago, and now when you dig deep into it, like why? And now I'm like, okay, so you knew Bitcoin's gonna go through some crap, especially with this Epstein stuff, all this. Hey, all this news that you're seeing right now, and people are like, oh, let's go, this is gonna go down. I'm like, bro, smart money knew about this ages ago, and these are the smart money people. You see what I'm saying? So you like, so we get the news so late. Man, Nvidia needs to go now, darling. Nvidia, let's go. They're saying Bitcoin was created by Epstein now, and he's the real. You will know, bro. Overall, like there is one thing that I've noticed every single time the Bitcoin prices do have moved down significantly. They are using people for. They're literally, in a way, trying to convince people that why they shouldn't be doing something because it's against the morals. So this time, these files dropped while the Bitcoin is already down so much significantly from the highs. Now they're going to use this moral currency in a way. Oh, you shouldn't be doing this because it was used by freaking the elites to do all this dumb shit. And now they're going to, trying to convince people not to do so. So smart money, so all these people that are holding, they can sell, so smart money can buy and then push the price up. And you'll oftentimes see all this stuff will be happening. All these bad news about everything will be happening when the price is off. Like, for example, Tesla, bad news, such a bad, like crazy bad news around this when the prices were 250-ish. We had around this April, March, around this area, March, April, Tesla had so bad news, so much bad news. Everybody talking shit about Elon and, Tesla and this happened and that. You couldn't go one page on your Instagram without somebody talking shit about Elon or, somebody posting crap. And I made a reel about this on Instagram. I was like, you know what? I'm buying Tesla right now because this looks like a smart move to do. And that was the bottom. And we bought Tesla at like 230, 240. Tesla went to like 500. It's just a way for them, for the big, big money, smart money, just to keep you out of the freaking game for now. And that's what I essentially think. Now, when I'm looking at Bitcoin, essentially, now they're like, oh, this is the email that says, Satoshi was this guy. I'm like, bro, it's just literally convincing you to not touch it. Don't buy it, sell. You see what I'm saying? Systems using you and you getting used, and that's what's happening right now. And the truth of the fact is, the literal fact is, you will keep on getting used up until you know what the fuck's happening around you. Yeah. Like, oh, but it came out because of a law. I'm like, bro, like who makes these laws? Yeah, same people that are talking, they should be in jail. Fuck, you know what I'm saying? So take it easy. Let's go. You understand what I'm saying? Let's see if Nvidia gets down, bro. We have SPY coming down, QQQ's coming down. Let's see if this Nvidia moves down now. Yeah, same people that are buying same people that are buying the dips are the same people making these laws. Exactly. Thank you so much. I had actually had a freaking friend of mine. He's like, "Oh, I'm like, did you really not know before these, so-called files got out? Did you really not know that all these elites are in a way doing all this dumb shit?" And yeah, he's like, "I know." I'm like, "Then what changes? Nothing. Fucking who's in jail? Nobody." I'm like, "All right, then fucking keep hustling, bro. Still not rich yet. Still not rich yet, y'all. Still, we all knew this fucking beforehand. Let's keep making money. All right, Nvidia, let's get your ass down. Give me 179.1. Let's go. Nvidia's moving more than 20% right now. Let's go. 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 I saw a reel. He's like, all these people upset about Epstein Island, they're upset because they didn't get invited. I'm like, bro, please, like, please don't you stop. All right, y'all, 179, 179.3 here. We're going to see if all right, these contracts have moved significantly. We want to see if 179.1 gets triggered. That's what I'm keeping an eye on. All right. Let's go. A little bit more. A little bit more, darling. Give me 179.1. Yeah, I'm going to all out. I probably will take massive chunk of profits. That's for sure. That's for sure, bro. Take some take massive profits. This trade has been working, like, it's paid decent. 170. It's like, if you think about it, you're like 20 cents away from that freaking profit target now, and it took forever. It's not a bad idea to take some off now and just let your runners at the break even. Does that make sense? It's not a bad idea to jump out now and leave runners as a break even, because it's 20 cents away only. That means now you're risking like over $1 move to potentially make 20 cents. It don't make sense. So we can essentially take a little bit off now and have your runners running with a break even stop loss. Yeah, all right. I'm taking some off right now, man. Not bad. Sweet. All right, good. Good. Yeah, not bad. Not bad, y'all. All right. Good. All right, with that note, man, I'm calling it a day, bro. I'm too freaking tired. Yeah, I'm too freaking tired. Yeah, I'll call it a day. I'm still in the Nvidia trade, but that's about it. He said, no, actually, like legit, bro. My dad was like, everybody who been on the island, don't matter if they did some shit or not, they knew about this and they fucking stayed quiet for very long and they're hiding the crime. Boom, shoot them. I'm like, right, Dad? Fuck. All right, y'all. With this note, really quickly, I'm gonna do a quick little overall analysis of what was happening on the market right now. Right. Look at the. Pay attention to this. So what's happening? We have seen SPY keep bouncing off this 200 moving average over and over again. You see this? It's keep bouncing on the hourly 200 moving average over and over again. If we break below this hourly 200 moving average and then you get a little pullback, that's essentially the key point that you should be watching a little bit later in the afternoon. That means the charts will be resetting themselves and it'll be setting up really nice. Same goes for kind of AVGO as well. If you go on AVGO 10-minute chart, it looks nice. If the charts reset themselves, it looks really, really good. Then comes your Nvidia still moving down. Nvidia looks weak. You can essentially hold your runners till the break even gets triggered, because Nvidia is just coming down. If it breaks below 179.1, we're good to go. I think you can make a decent move. That's essentially the game plan that I have right now, is having this 200 simple moving average break on this SPY, give you a little pullback. That becomes a solid entry. Keep an eye. You understand? Look at that 179.1 where the price is bounced on this Nvidia, bro. It literally low is 179.1. Insane. Okay, insane. Sweet, y'all. Good day. All right, y'all. I didn't make too much money, but you know, I'm still happy with this. Freaking whatever crap. All right, everybody. Good day, long day, and I'm gonna call it a day right now. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Peace.
Cheers, Raj.
See you later, babe.